Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and I am so glad to have each and every one of you here today. This channel is mostly all about crochet. If you haven't hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up, go ahead and do that right now. I would appreciate that. Today's video, I have a lot of different things to show. I have like Happy Mail, I have UFOs and whips, let's see, and to announce the winner to the secret giveaway that I had in one of my past videos. Okay, so I will go ahead and start with Happy Mail. I ordered this from Brenda, the newbie crocheter. And here's her little card. And if you would like to email her, she does have a YouTube channel, by the way. I would leave her link below. Brenda, the newbie crocheter at gmail.com. They do sell these subscribe wooden things right there. And I buy my crochet hooks from her. So I just recently ordered me a G hook. And I wanted it in yellow. And she'll do whatever color you ask. I like mine to be a little high up. It's just because, see, my thumb kind of rests on that. And I really like it. And so I have her to make each one of mine a different bright color so they're I can recognize them easily when they're in the bucket of hooks. And yes, so thank you, Brenda. You did an excellent job once again. I love my hooks from you. And she always sends a little thank you card in with hers. And she always includes a cute little sticker. And I put these on my laptop and I put these on my whip caddies. I just have fun with those. I really like them. And then her envelopes are always, you know, some cool bright color. The last month, or I guess it would be last month, or the last order that I had with her, it came in a bright green envelope. And so, anyway, thank you, Brenda, for that. Okay, oh yeah, some Happy Mail. I got this from Tracy. Thank you, Tracy. She sent me this card. And here you go. Boy, do I wish the weather was like that right now. We have 8 to 10 inches of snow right here in central Arkansas, and we are expected more tomorrow. Well, actually tonight it's supposed to do some more, so who knows where it's going to go. So that looks really nice. Okay, so Tracy sent me all this cool tea. Look at this. Lots of tea. So I have lots of samples that I get to try right here. Apple cinnamon, pink pepper cinnamon, peppermint orange, pumpkin melon, cinnamon melon, cinnamon chai, jasmine lavender, pomegranate lemongrass, pomegranate blood orange, and pumpkin spice. I mean, cinnamon melon. Oh, I forgot one. Cinnamon melon. I mean, these are some cool ones. You gave me some really cool ones. There's not one of them in here that doesn't sound good to me. So with this weather that we have out here, yes, I am going to enjoy trying these out. Thank you so much for this. I'm pretty excited to get that. She sent me this skein of yarn right here. Some of this, I love this yarn. And I have made quite a few things with some of this that I have. I love this yarn. It's a really cool color. And this is, I love this yarn, Wild Carnation. Thank you for this, by the way. Made in Turkey. How many yards are in this thing? Oh, it has for the pattern on the inside, it actually has a bag, see, look. Isn't that cool? Okay, so let me see how many yards it is. It is 252 yards. So yeah, so I'm excited. But look, she included some, where she had been making some stuff, I guess, and this is the leftovers, and she sent that too. Thank you. That was really nice for you to have done that. I really like that. And this was really cool, guys. Okay, So, look at this crochet book, Precious Moments. And this is really cool because when my daughter was born, all the way up till she turned 16, I guess, I collected all of the Precious Moments dolls for her. And every year that she had a birthday, I put them up on a shelf. And this is just, it's really cool. Look at this. Let's see, show that one up close. She said she found this in a thrift store and she thought about me. So, I think there's another page. Yeah, here we go. Am I getting it in there? Yeah. Look at that. I'm like, this really is cool. I didn't even know they had crochet Precious Moments dolls. So, thank you for that. That was just really cool. I wish you could have seen my face when I opened it up and saw that. I was like, oh my gosh, I had to show it to my husband, and I was like, this is so cool. The other thing I guess I want to show you is this thing right here. It is half done. Here it is. It's missing a sleeve. It's missing the front of the trim. And the bottom. I may just leave the bottom like it is. It actually fits a pretty good length, so I may just leave that. And I do have the sleeve. It's a cuff sleeve. And I've got to put the rib edging around the neckline. And like I said, I normally put the rib edging around the bottom as well, but I don't know. I may just leave this one like it is and just do the rib up here. But yeah, I ran out of yarn. I had bought some yarn on clearance when I was at Michael's. I happened to be on that side of town. And I thought 2 skeins would do it because it was a bulky yarn. And I've never made this cardigan in bulky yarn. I've always used medium 4-weight. And yeah, I ran out of yarn. So I've called my daughter. She has a doctor appointment on that side of town. We are snowed in here. But they have, you know, the 4-wheel drive and all that, you know, the big vehicle. And she happened to have a doctor appointment next door to the Michaels on that side of town. And so she was going to pick me up. I told her just one more skein is probably all I need. And so they went to pick it up for me. And Michael's is closed. And this yarn is clearanced. So I'll tell you about this. This is the Sorella pattern. It's called the Everyday Cardigan. It is the first cardigan when I decided to get out of my comfort zone and to make my first cardigan. The Everyday Cardigan was the one that I found that looked the easiest for me. I had watched quite a few and I liked the way it looked and I liked the way the instructions were, and so that was the very first one I did. Well, I ended up making like 4 of these last year, and I gave one to my mom and then one to my niece. See, mom, my niece, my sister, and I got one. So I think I only made 4. And here's the one that I made me. And this was with the sweet yarn. And so its colors are just everywhere. The sweet row, I think, is what I used. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. I just, for the life of me, just really don't remember. I'd have to go back and watch one of those videos. But yeah, I made about 4 of these. Well, Ella from No Catchy Name. Hi, Ella. She's so sweet. Well, she is making her first cardigan, and actually she just finished it. And she apparently had found this cardigan as well. And so she made it. She made it in gold, and I've been wanting to make one in gold, but I hadn't got around to that. But that's another time because I'm probably finished making some for a while. But anyway, when I saw her video, I was like, oh my gosh, I really meant to make some more of those. And so I'm so glad you showed that, Ella. That is my favorite pattern. And she's actually, I guess it's her favorite pattern now as well because she's on her second one. And so if you're new to crochet and you haven't made a wearable yet, I would suggest going to check out this pattern. It is really good for beginners. You will find after your first one, you'll find what works better for you. Obviously, it's that way in every pattern. I would recommend making more than one. The first one will be your trial test one. And then after that, you know, you'll know what changes you want to make to it to make it fit you, because all body styles are different. One thing that I do different is on the sleeves. For the size that I need, they are too long. I mean, like that much too long. And so I do shorten that up some. I guess that's probably really about it. I can't really, matter of fact, I have the instructions down so much by memory that I actually just have it on a sheet of paper about this size, and I have small, medium, large, and extra large. I think they actually go up to a 4 or 5X actually. Anyway, and then I just have what you do for small, medium, large, and extra large, because in my family that's you know, kind of what we all have, those sizes. And it just, you know, it's just real easy. And then I just tell you on my instructions, since I've made so many of them, I just have back panel, chain this many half double crochets, front panel, this many half double crochets, other front panel, that many half double crochets, which is equal to this side. And then that's all I say, that's all I have on that. And then the sleeve, how many to chain for this. I think for mine I chained 28. And anyway, so yeah, once you made one of them, you can actually condense the instructions down to just a little sheet of paper. I mean, it's that easy. Okay, so with that being said, they couldn't get me the yarn, so I can't get the yarn. Here is the yarn I bought. It was on clearance for $5.99. It's the Burnett Softy Chunky Twist, and the color is burgundy. It is a 6 bulky, and it's 100% acrylic, and there are 316 yards. And I used the same hook, the K hook. Maybe because I went with the bulky, I probably should have went up a hook. I don't know. But I really like this in the K hook. So, I don't know. I'm going to go online, see if I can't order it. I may have to pay more because I'd have to pay for shipping. Or I can take a chance and wait till the stores open back up. And, you know, run over there as fast as I can. Or drive over there as fast as I can to see if maybe they still have a few on their clearance rack and back. Otherwise, this is where I'm at. So now my daughter suggested that if I end up not getting it, to take this sleeve off and have like color block, where the sleeves would be one color and then this right here would be another color, and then do the bottom. I mean, I wouldn't say another color. The sleeves and the front and then the bottom be one color, and then the base of the jacket be another color, or be this color. So we'll see. I don't know. I just have to put that to the side, I guess, until I can come up. Oh, see if I can show you the back side. Here's the back side of the jacket. So it's all half double crochets. And it is my favorite pattern. It's it is my favorite pattern. So, all right. So I had bought 2. I don't know if I mentioned that. So I had bought 2 of these, and I paid $12, but actually I had a coupon. I did buy some other yarn, one other skein, I think. And with my reward money and stuff, I ended up paying $7 is all. So yeah, so that's where I'm at on that. I have no idea where that's going to go. Okay, the other thing is I made this off my knitting machine. I made a camouflage out of that. I'm still using that one skein of 64-cent yarn. This is my second one, and I still have enough to make a third one. So I'll end up getting 3 hats for 64 cents. Great deal, right? The other one is, I was talking about that in one of my videos, how I did not care for Care-On Simply Soft. The yarn is just too shiny for me. Well, I went in there and dug out my shiny yarn and thought, well, I'm not going to use it, so let me see about making some hats with it. So I made this hat with one of them, and I think it just turned out beautiful. This will be a Christmas gift, and I'm pretty excited over this one. And it being worked up and being shiny like that, it doesn't really bother me for some reason. But yeah, so this will be a Christmas gift. So yeah, that's where I'm at on that. Okay, so let's see who our winner is to our giveaway. It is for these 2 skeins of yarn right here. This is the Wool Ease Thick and Quick. It is for the Lether Company. It's one of their hooks, a size 6. It's beautiful. I can't use these. They're just a little too fat for my little small hands. So nothing wrong with the hook. They're beautiful hooks. Just a little bit too big for me. Some pencils and some sticky notes and the Happy Gurumi crochet book that someone is really going to love, because I was gifted one and I loved mine. Okay, so our winner is, I'll put the picture right here. Is Helen Glasgow. Yay! Congratulations, Helen. Just send me an email at psbarton99@sbcglobal.net. Put in there winner of giveaway, and I will email you back with a special word that you can go into the winning, where you left the winning comment, and put that special word in there, and then let me know that you did. And then send me your address and I will ship this out to you. So everyone, please tell Helen congratulations. We are going to do the 365 days of prayer. Okay, so today it says, cannot be tempted. Let no one say when he is tempted, I am tempted by God. For God cannot be tempted by evil, nor does he himself tempt anyone. That's James 1:13. God, who cannot be tempted, lend that power to me. I know you allow temptations of all kinds to teach me and strengthen me. Allow me also the ability to resist as you do, immediately and completely, anything that threatens to take me from your will. Thank you for being with me as I face into the things that distract me, things that will bring me only harm. Let me see, even in the moment of greatest weakness, that if it were good, I wouldn't have to hesitate. Help me use this knowledge to run the other way, straight into you. Do you know that Jesus is waiting for you to run away from evil and run towards him? Yes, I do. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that. Be sure and congratulate Helen, and be sure and watch tomorrow's video. It is what you can make for under $60, or what you can crochet for under $60, I guess you could say. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.